5 minutes to change the rest of your life. In this video, what is financial freedom? Why should you care? And how can you get it?
Bedlam in the aisles of some of the nation's biggest retailers. Shoppers fighting over garments.
Billy Mays here for OxyClean, the stain specialist. Powered by the all this for just $19.95. But call in the next 20 minutes and we'll
household debt levels overall, including credit cards, student loans, and mortgages, are at the highest levels since 2008.
These people are efficient, professional, compulsive consumers. It's their civic duty. Consumption. It's the new national pastime. Fuck baseball. It's consumption. The only true, lasting American value that's left, buying things. Buying things. People spending money they don't have on things they don't need. Money they don't have on things they don't need. So they can max out their credit cards and spend the rest of their lives paying 18% interest on something that costs $12.50. And they didn't like it when they got it home anyway.
It's kind of crazy, but many of us find ourselves waking up for work each morning, dreading the day to come, working a job we don't fully enjoy. Too often we stay working longer hours to satisfy some deadline or expectation. At the same time, we find ourselves buying shit we don't need and pressured into life-changing decisions before we're fully prepared to understand exactly what they mean. We feel forced to take on auto and school loans to keep up with the rest of society. Even worse, the public education system has completely failed in teaching us anything about personal finance or financial responsibility. Instead, we are bombarded by relentless ads pushing us to buy the latest products, screwing with our minds, trying to convince us that spending money is going to make us happy. And it seems to be working. We've fallen into an endless cycle. We've become prisoners of capitalism. Being a good citizen has somehow been conflated with spending money and helping stoke the economy. People do this at the expense of their health and happiness. They give away their time by giving away their money, and many will live out the rest of their lives like this. But you can break free from this cycle. If you're willing to make the necessary sacrifices in your life and willing to start implementing some of the steps I mentioned in this video, you can get started on your path to financial freedom.
wake up!
So what is financial freedom? Simply put, it's having enough savings to fund the kind of lifestyle you wish to live for the rest of your life. It means having the financial backing to pursue your dreams, whether that be starting a business of your own, finding the perfect job, climbing a mountain, or retiring to explore your hobbies and passions. It means escaping from this insane cycle of consumerism and the endless rat race, and taking control of your finances and of your life. You may be skeptical, but it starts with throwing aside the excuses and changing your philosophy around money. Financial freedom is very much a long journey, and it's not easy, but it will start paying dividends long before you get to the destination. I don't know about you, but there's no way in hell I'm going to work a job for the rest of my life to make ends meet or to buy shit that doesn't really make me happy. I want to live each day where I can focus on my family and friends, on my health, and building new skills and trying new things. I want financial freedom so I can build a future business knowing I have the financial backing to be safe for the rest of my life. I'm going to give you 2 simple steps to start your journey towards financial freedom. In future videos, we will cover in greater detail the strategies behind getting to financial independence faster, and in-depth videos on investments in the stock, crypto, and real estate markets. If you're interested in getting future updates, subscribe to join us on our journey. We are all the CEO of our own lives, and as any good CEO would, we should each have a deep understanding of our own personal finances. We need to be real with ourselves when it comes to understanding how much we spend and how much we owe. I recommend everyone sign up to Mint.com, a free website that allows you to safely monitor your daily expenses, your savings, and your debts. Doing this one step will empower you by giving you a clear understanding of the financial situation you are in. This may be difficult for those in a tough spot, but we need to overcome these fears to get started. Step 2 will be easier and something you can start doing right now. We often have things that we buy that may be a drain on our finances and aren't really bringing happiness to our lives. All I want you to do is start thinking about what one of those things may be for you. These steps will get us started on our path towards financial freedom, allowing us to live a life where we can focus on the handful of things that truly make us happy. The choice is up to you. Hey, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. We're just going to start on this channel and plan to have tons of future content coming your way. If you're interested, please join the community. Peace.